Hello, I'm Bob Carr, founder of TLC. First, thank you for inviting us into your home. We know having a contractor come to your house can feel a little stressful. You may be wondering, what's going to happen? How long will this take? Is this going to be a high-pressure sales meeting? The answer is absolutely not. Our goal is simple. Understand your property, understand your goals, answer every question, help you decide what's best. Before your appointment, you'll receive a reminder. We'll let you know when we're on our way. If we're running early or late, we'll communicate with you. When your project manager arrives, we'll introduce ourselves. We'll listen first, walk your property together, and learn what's important to you. Every home is different. That's why we don't give cookie cutter estimates. We want to see your property with our own eyes. Please ask every question you have. The more questions you ask, the better your decision will be. If you received other estimates, hey, that's perfectly okay. We'll explain the difference without criticizing another company. Many homeowners ask, should both decision makers be there? If possible, yes, it helps everyone hear the same information. One thing you won't experience, pressure. We're educators first. Whether you choose TLC or not, our job is to help you make a great decision. Before we leave, we'll explain what we found, review your options, answer your questions, and explain the next steps. If you need time to think, we completely understand. Important home improvements deserve thoughtful decisions. Thank you again for the opportunity to earn your trust. We look forward to meeting you very soon.